tryna tackle me. She said, you're a little cub, don't fight it. Fam, I could've lost my vision. Ask Hus, the punda was blinding. Now a lot of men are talking violent. Everybody's been out here riding, but man, I just called him Simba. Them man are just kings of lying. Them man are just lying kings. They ain't copping no diamond rings. Them fucking Swarovski crystals. They ain't putting no white and cling. They ain't giving out light and dark or light or either thing. Your mister still picking up cues. MR, that's a minor risk. Remember when man came through? Not one of them girls were flirting till just pulled up in a Jurgen Klopp